Welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we are excited to present the new adventure motorcycles for 2025 Top 6 Game Changers. Number 6. Honda CRF 1100L Africa Twin. The 2025 Honda CRF 1100L Africa Twin continues to be one of the top choices for adventure riders seeking reliability and performance. With its 1083cc parallel twin engine, it delivers 101 horsepower, offering an ideal balance between power and smoothness. This engine provides excellent torque for both off-road and highway riding, making it versatile in various terrains. The Africa Twin features a 6.5-inch TFT touchscreen LED display, which is intuitive, offering easy access to ride modes, navigation, and essential bike data. Comfort is a major highlight, with ergonomic seating and a long travel suspension that makes it incredibly capable on rugged paths without compromising road comfort. Its 18.8-litre fuel tank provides impressive range, making it well-suited for long-distance adventures. The Africa Twin also features a lightweight frame and advanced electronics like cruise control, quick shifter, and multiple ride modes that adapt to any adventure. It's an ideal motorcycle for riders looking for a dependable, capable machine for off-road exploration. With a price starting at $14,799, the Honda CRF 1100L Africa Twin is an excellent choice for long-distance adventure riders who prioritize comfort, technology, and versatility. Number 5. Yamaha Taner 700. The 2025 Yamaha Taner 700 remains one of the best all-around adventure motorcycles, offering a perfect blend of performance, off-road capability, and affordability. Powered by a 689cc parallel twin engine, it produces 72 horsepower, which is plenty for tackling tough trails, while still offering a comfortable ride on highways. One of its standout features is the 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear wheel, coupled with an adjustable suspension system that excels in both dirt and on-road riding. The Taner 700's full-color LCD display offers riders easy access to navigation, ride modes, and performance data. It's designed for riders who demand a balance between off-road ruggedness and on-road comfort. The bike's slim profile and light weight make it incredibly agile and easy to handle in challenging environments. The bike is built with reliability in mind, with an excellent reputation for longevity and durability in even the harshest conditions. With a starting price of $10,999, the Yamaha Taner 700 delivers exceptional value for riders who want a dependable, capable adventure bike without breaking the bank. Its balance of power, agility, and comfort make it a top contender for riders seeking an adventure motorcycle that can handle anything from city streets to the most remote trails. Number 4. BMW R1250 GS. The 2025 BMW R1250 GS is a motorcycle that truly sets the standard in the adventure category. Featuring a 1254cc boxer engine, producing 136 horsepower, this bike combines immense power with exceptional smoothness, making it ideal for both long-distance touring and off-road expeditions. The GS's power is harnessed with BMW's dynamic ESA, electronic suspension adjustment, which adjusts to riding conditions, ensuring a smooth ride whether you're navigating city roads or rocky trails. Its 6.5-inch TFT display offers a wealth of information, from navigation to ride settings, and is highly customizable to suit the rider's needs. The R1250 GS's build quality is second to none, featuring premium materials and cutting-edge technology that provide excellent ride comfort, safety, and durability. With features like heated grips, cruise control, and LED headlights, it is a motorcycle that offers all the comfort and luxury of a touring bike combined with off-road capability. The R1250 GS's balanced design offers an agile, responsive feel on trails while also excelling on long highway stretches. Priced starting at $24,500, the BMW R1250 GS is a premium choice for riders who demand the best in terms of performance, comfort, and technology. Whether you're riding through mountain passes or exploring desert landscapes, the R1250 GS is a true all-terrain master that delivers a perfect blend of power, sophistication, and capability. Number 3. KTM 1290 Super Adventure R. The 2025 KTM 1290 Super Adventure R is an absolute powerhouse in the adventure segment. Its 1,301cc V-twin engine produces a staggering 160 horsepower, delivering thrilling performance whether on or off-road. The Super Adventure R is designed for riders who crave raw power and performance in a rugged off-road package. It is equipped with a 7-inch TFT display that provides clear, detailed information about ride modes, suspension settings, and navigation, all in an easily accessible interface. The bike features advanced WPX Plur suspension, offering 220 mm of travel for serious off-road capability. Riders can also customize the bike's performance settings, such as traction control, ABS, and suspension stiffness, to match varying trail conditions. The frame design, combined with powerful brakes and high-performance wheels, ensures the 1290 Super Adventure R offers outstanding agility on the toughest trails. KTM's commitment to performance is evident in this bike, which not only delivers exhilarating power, but also handles exceptionally well in difficult terrain. Whether navigating rocky paths, sandy trails, or twisty mountain roads, the KTM 1290 Super Adventure R excels. With a price tag of $20,999, it is an investment for those who want a serious, high-performance adventure bike capable of conquering the world's most demanding terrains. This is the motorcycle for riders who demand extreme performance, outstanding handling, and technological sophistication in one package. Number 2. Suzuki VStrom 1050 XT. The 2025 Suzuki VStrom 1050 XT stands as one of the most versatile and user-friendly adventure bikes on the market. Its 1037cc V-twin engine delivers 106 horsepower, providing a smooth, efficient power delivery that excels in a variety of riding conditions. Whether you're riding across highways or heading down dirt trails, the V-Strom 1050 XT offers both the power and comfort you need for extended journeys. The updated ride-by-wire throttle and Suzuki Easy Start system make the bike more responsive and user-friendly, while the 5-inch TFT display ensures all necessary information is clearly visible. Off-road, the V-Strom 1050 XT is equipped with long-travel suspension and a rugged chassis that allows it to handle tough trails with ease. Advanced features such as traction control, 3-level ABS, and an updated ergonomics package make it an ideal choice for adventure riders who want a capable, reliable, and practical machine. The V-Strom 1050 XT is designed with touring in mind, featuring a comfortable seat and a large fuel tank that allows for long distances without needing to stop. At $12,999, the V-Strom 1050 XT is priced competitively for an adventure bike, making it a great option for riders who need a well-rounded motorcycle that excels in performance, comfort, and reliability, whether they are on the highway or in the dirt. Number 1. Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro. The 2025 Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro has firmly established itself as one of the best adventure motorcycles on the market. Powered by an 888cc triple-cylinder engine, it produces 106 horsepower, offering a unique balance of power and refinement. This engine provides smooth and responsive power delivery that is perfect for tackling off-road trails and winding mountain roads. The bike's advanced technology includes a 7-inch TFT display, which is highly customizable and provides real-time data on navigation, ride modes, and performance settings. The Tiger 900 Rally Pro's WP suspension and fully adjustable ride modes make it an exceptional off-road machine, allowing it to handle everything from soft sand to rocky paths with ease. It also features switchable ABS, traction control, and off-road tires, making it perfect for adventurers who want a bike capable of tackling any terrain. In terms of comfort, the Tiger 900 Rally Pro offers a spacious, ergonomic seat and handles long-distance rides with ease. With a price of $17,595, the Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro is an excellent choice for riders seeking a well-rounded adventure motorcycle that excels in both on-road and off-road conditions. Whether exploring the mountains or traversing remote deserts, the Tiger 900 Rally Pro delivers exceptional performance, comfort, and versatility. This is a motorcycle designed for those who demand the best of both worlds, toughness and refinement in their adventure riding. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of motorcycles.